Monaco, a tiny nation on the French Riviera, famous for the Monte Carlo Casino, luxury yachts, the Grand Prix, and a truly glamorous lifestyle. Here in Monaco, luxury is everywhere, from the stunning Monte Carlo Casino to super yachts in the harbor and the world's...
We're free like the wind up in the sky. Our path is shining, golden horizons high. City lights and oceans all in reach. Every day's a scene from a movie screen. Life is luxury, we're flying so high. Lights and shine are guiding our sky. Dreams are big, hearts beating in time. Life is luxury, luxury.